The Jeep brand is breaking new ground with the Gladiator Mojave, the first Jeep vehicle to carry the brand's newly minted Desert Rated badge. Jeep Desert Rated vehicles represent the ultimate in high-speed off-road capability and performance while traversing grueling desert and sand environments. The starting point of the Mojave Edition's new level of capability is Gladiator's proven Command Track 4x4 system, which features a 2-speed transfer case with a 2.72 to 1 low-range gear ratio and heavy-duty third-generation Dana 44 front and rear axles with a 4:10 to 1 axle ratio and standard electronic locking rear differential. The Jeep Command Track 4x4 system is used to provide higher 4-low operating speeds for climbing sand dunes and other challenging desert events. The Jeep Gladiator Mojave's 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine delivers 285 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque and features engine stop-start as standard equipment. It is engineered to provide a broad torque band with a focus on low-end torque, an essential trait needed for extreme off-roading. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard with the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, and an 8-speed automatic transmission is optional.
You know, Chicago, we love Chicago. It's a great market for us. You know, we have Camp Jeep here, so we got to use a little bit of the Camp Jeep to display this, and it fit in perfectly. You know, it's going to help expand the customer base for us because our, there are people that love to use their vehicles in the sand and high speeds, and Mojave is perfect for that. You know, we've been here for 16 years now with Camp Jeep. We love connecting with our customers. We have one of our best displays. It's a big show, and it's great for Jeep.
Low at a maximum speed of 50 miles an hour. To give you some context, our Rubicon tops out in 4 low at 32 miles an hour. And remember, we're talking about performance in deep sand.